COBOL tips and code open. Program type group. Overtime calculation. Checkcon. Hi everybody, this PPT was made by Nestor ACHA. The notes will be read by the automatic voice of Word Office. Thank you very much for being interested in seeing it. Group type programs. In this presentation, the type of group program will be analyzed. The concept is the same as that used in the group by clause of the SQL select statement. To better understand a group type, we have an overtime report file, sorted by employee code, date and time of start of the overtime, which we will only total the records per employee. Please note that the control variables are the same as in listing programs, only one key field has been added for group key change control. Please note that the process of starting a group type program is the same as that of listing type, only that the two instructions shown in the notes have been added. In the process of starting any group type program, the group key is moved to the WE key comparison field. In the process of starting any group type program, the title is always written with the data of the first record read. Please note that the routine of process from a group type program is the same as that of listing type, only with the two instructions in red to implement the necessary logic when the group code changes. The key change logic, called as break, is always the same as the routine: write group totals, move the key to the comparison W key, reset group totals, write title with new record data. It is very common to forget to write the totals of the last group read, which must be done in the process of ending. For didactic purposes, only registration has been counted. Please check the logic well, because it is used in many programs and you do not need to be thinking the same thing again. The next slide shows the flowchart of an overtime calculation process, which will be solved in the next presentation. You can try to solve it with the information that accompanies the flow. You can learn a lot trying to develop this process. In presentation 0006, the sort is explained. In 0004, the use of subprograms. Do not calculate hours, only use the CCON 0103 subprogram, and the load of the employee file is explained in presentation 0002. Finally, you can consider the cost of each extra hour equal to the salary divided by 240. The latest. An expert COBOL programmer has programmed schemes that he will reuse according to the situation, but what must always be maintained on good practices such as 1. Underline paragraphs. 2. A good indentation to align verbs and words. Pick from to value. 3. Use preset field names with W if they are working, with R if they are report, with T if they are tables or totals, with F if they are files. For use only letters, numbers, and hyphens in names. 5. Use a lot of commentary helping to understand who is going to read our program. All these recommendations can be searched on the web and should be of additional use to the standards of the installation where you are working on. Thank you very much for your attention and good luck.